Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can simply create a retro coloring in Capcut. So first, just add your clips to Capcut and then go to filter, click on the retro category and select the Miami filter. Okay, this one, and adjust it to 100. And then go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 10 and contrast -10, saturation 20, exposure 5, then sharpen also 5. Click on the HSL and on the red color, lower the saturation to -5, luminance 20. On the orange color, saturation -5, yellow saturation -10, and then luminance 10. On the green one, lower the saturations to -5 and then move to the light blue and lower it to -10 on the saturation, and then on the blue color, saturation -15. Okay, and then after that you can just go back and then click on the grab, and for the red, green, and also blue, just leave it as it is, but on the white color, use this curve. Okay, after that you can just go back and now click on the shadow and lower it to -5, temperature 10, and lastly click on the grain and increase it to around 5. Click on the check icon, and now you are done with the retro coloring. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, subscribe, and also don't forget, I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.